Think your vacation starts at the gate? Think again. TSA's new AI is officially online, and it is judging your luggage way harder than your mother-in-law. From mistaking creamy peanut butter for plastic explosives to 3D, scanning your deepest secrets, this $1 billion digital brain has the power to reject your bag in seconds. Stay tuned for our countdown so you don't get denied or stuck paying a mandatory $45 identity verification fee at the airport. 8. The identity tax. Pay $45 or stay home. We're starting our countdown at number 8 with the ultimate vibe killer, the identity check. Remember when you could just show a blurry library card and a Costco membership and hope for the best? Yeah, those days are deader than your phone battery at the gate. As of February 2026, the Real ID mandate is fully 100% enforced. If your license doesn't have that little gold star, the AI-powered credential authentication technology, or CAT2, is going to look at your ID and say, "I don't know her." But here's the kicker. The TSA has introduced a safety net for the 1% to 5% of travelers who still haven't updated their IDs. It's called TSA Confirm ID, and it is the most expensive 10-day subscription you'll ever buy. If you show up without a real ID, the TSA will refer you to a modernized verification system, but it'll cost you a cool $45 fee. This fee doesn't even last for your whole vacation. It only covers a 10-day window. It's basically a convenience fee for your own procrastination. The system takes about 10 to 30 minutes to verify you, and if the AI can't reconcile your data through the pay.gov portal, you're denied entry. You lose your $45, and you're watching your plane take off from the parking lot. So, unless you want to pay a $50 identity tax to prove you exist, get that gold star on your license. But even if the computer knows who you are, it still might hate what you're carrying. Which brings us to a whole new level of 3D vision. How does the TSA see what you're hiding without even opening your bag? 7. The Algorithmic Eye. 3D vibe checks for your suitcase. Coming in at number 7 is the hardware that makes all this rejection possible, the Checkpoint Property Screening System, or CPSS. The TSA has dropped over $1 billion on these computed tomography (CT) scanners. These aren't your grandma's X-ray machines that show a flat, green image of a tangled mess. These are high-fidelity 3D beasts that generate a rotating image of your bag's contents. The AI behind these scanners can rotate your bag 360 degrees on 3 axes. It's basically Google Earth, but for your dirty laundry. The good news? You can finally leave your laptop and your liquids inside the bag. The bad news? The AI is programmed with threat signatures based on atomic density and material discrimination. It's using dual-energy X-ray technology to calculate the effective atomic number of everything you packed. If it sees something with a density of, say, 1.5 grams per cubic centimeter, which just happens to be the density of some plastic explosives, it doesn't matter if it's actually a gourmet fruitcake. The AI is going to flag it for a manual swab. It's looking for the L shape of a firearm frame or the specific scattering pattern of metallic wires. The AI is essentially a very judgy digital artist who is obsessed with the molecular structure of your shampoo. But wait until you see what happens when the AI gets confused by your lunch. Ever heard of the organic paradox? 6. The organic paradox. Why your peanut butter is a threat. Number 6 is the one that ruins every foodie's trip, the organic paradox. This is where the AI's big brain actually becomes a problem for you. The AI is incredibly good at identifying organic materials, but it turns out that plastic explosives and delicious snacks look almost identical to a computer. We're talking about high-density spreads like peanut butter, Nutella, and even large blocks of cheese. To the CT scanner, a dense block of cheddar has the same physical density and atomic signature as C4 or Semtex. There's a legendary Reddit story about a guy whose bag caused a full-on security panic because he packed blocks of cheese right next to his electronic camera gear. To the AI, that's not a snack. That's an IED waiting to happen. And don't even get started on the liquids. Even though the rules have relaxed, the AI still has a hair trigger for jars of jam and honey. At the tiny West Yellowstone Airport, the agents have a saying, "It's always the huckleberry jam." The molecular signature of the sugar and the density of the glass jar consistently trigger the rejected alarm. If you're packing a holiday gift basket, you're basically asking the AI to put you in timeout. But food isn't the only thing the AI is watching. Did you know the machine is also judging your face? 5. The 23-second stare. Facial recognition gone wild. At number 5, let's talk about the machine that's staring back at you, the Cat 2 Biometric Sentinel. If you've been to a major airport lately, you've seen these. You stand there, you look at the camera, and it compares your live face to the photo on your ID. The TSA says this system is 99% accurate and takes an average of just 23 seconds. But here's the humorous part. If you're part of the 1% it doesn't recognize, things get awkward fast. Audits have shown that these algorithms sometimes struggle with different demographics, with success rates dropping slightly for certain ethnic groups. There have been cases where the touchless ID pilot phase only worked about 93% of the time because the algorithm literally couldn't tell if the photo contained a face or not. Privacy groups are also freaking out about mission creep, fearing this is a precursor to a national surveillance state. You do have the legal right to opt out of the face scan and ask for a manual check, but research shows 99% of passengers aren't even told they have that right. So you're standing there, having a 23-second staring contest with a $100,000 camera, hoping the AI doesn't think you're someone on a no-fly list because you got a new haircut.
We're halfway through the list of why the TSA's new AI is out to get you. If you've ever had a weird interaction with a TSA agent or a machine that just refused to believe you were a real person, drop a comment below. I want to hear your best or worst airport horror stories. And if you're finding this data helpful, give that like button a smash. It helps the YouTube algorithm realize this video isn't organic material and should be shown to more people. Now, let's get back to the countdown with a trip to Las Vegas that has nothing to do with poker.
4. The self-checkout apocalypse. Vegas's newest game. Sliding in at number 4 is something that sounds convenient in theory and mildly chaotic in practice. Self-service airport screening pods. Yes, the same society that struggles with grocery store self-checkout has decided we're ready to run our own security screening. Bold move. The TSA has been testing Screening at Speed, SAS, systems at Harry Reid International Airport in Las Vegas. Naturally, Vegas is the test site, because if there's one place full of calm, well-rested, rule-following individuals, it's definitely the city where time doesn't exist and breakfast can legally be a margarita. Here's how it works. Pre-check travelers step into a pod, models like the Vanderland Pax MX2, with automated doors. You follow on-screen instructions, get scanned, and walk out the other side if everything looks good. No officer giving step-by-step directions. No one reminding you to take the keys out of your pocket. Just you, a machine, and your ability to follow basic instructions under pressure. If you forget something metal in your pocket, the system flags it. The entry door opens back up, and the screen politely tells you to remove the item and try again. It's basically the airport version of unexpected item in bagging area, except instead of holding up a line of annoyed shoppers, you're holding up people trying to make a flight to Cleveland. The challenge? Real humans. In Vegas, at an airport, many travelers are tired, distracted, overexcited, or let's say, chemically overconfident. Now picture someone who just lost 3 hours and a questionable amount of cash at the blackjack table, trying to interpret touchscreen instructions while juggling a carry-on, a phone charger wrapped like spaghetti, and a very vocal, emotional support pet. The tech is designed to make screening faster and more efficient, but it still depends on travelers doing their part. And if self-checkout has taught us anything, it's that machines have a lot of faith in us, sometimes more than is statistically wise. Still, these futuristic pods are just step one, because while travelers are arguing with touchscreens, the AI behind the scenes is catching some truly wild stuff, which brings us to the next spot on our list. 3. The Are You Serious? Hall of Fame. Why the AI is tired of us. Number 3 is less a security briefing and more a tribute to human decision-making at 5 a.m. before coffee. Welcome to the unofficial Are You Serious? Hall of Fame, where travelers keep testing airport security like it's a game show called Smuggle or Struggle. Spoiler alert, the AI keeps winning. Modern screening systems aren't just looking for classic threats anymore. With 3D imaging, material analysis, and motion detection, they're also very good at spotting things that make officers say, "Sir, why?" The TSA's running lists of unusual finds prove that while technology evolves, human creativity in bad ideas evolves right along with it. Take Newark, where a bag was flagged because something inside appeared to be moving. Not a vibrating toothbrush, not a nervous hamster toy, a live turtle tucked inside a man's pants. Yes, an actual turtle. Slow and steady does not win the race through airport security. Down in Miami, officers discovered bullets hidden inside a container of chocolate milk powder. The traveler likely hoped the powder would mask the contents. Instead, density detection tech saw right through the sweet disguise. Turns out, Nesquik is not an approved ammo concealment strategy. Who knew? Then there was the traveler in Boise with 14 inert rocket-propelled grenades in a bag. He described them as training aids. The scanner described them as rocket-shaped objects that absolutely require a supervisor and several radios squawking at once. Even when items can't function, their shape and composition still trigger alarms. Context matters, but so does not packing military hardware next to your socks. Officers have also found razor blades sewn into clothing seams, knives hidden in medical braces, and drugs tucked into everyday toiletry bottles. The common theme? People assume clever hiding beats clever tech. It doesn't. At this point, airport AI is basically a billion-dollar always alert hall monitor for your nothing weird in my bag promise. And if you think these examples are creative, wait until you hear about the building block blunder that lands at number 2. 2. The Black Panther Lego gun. Artful concealment fails. Coming in at number 2 is a story that sounds like it belongs in a spy movie, except it happened in real life, and the villain lost to a luggage scanner. Meet the now infamous Lego gun incident. A traveler at Newark Airport tried to sneak a disassembled 9mm handgun through security by hiding the parts inside a Black Panther Lego set. Yes, Wakanda forever, but make it federal charges. The plan, and we use that word generously, was to rely on visual chaos. The gun frame was tucked into the bottom of a boot. The slide, recoil spring, and a magazine loaded with 12 rounds were scattered among a pile of Lego bricks inside the box. The traveler likely assumed the scanner would just see a colorful plastic jungle and wave it through. Unfortunately for him, TSA scanners don't get visually overwhelmed like we do when we step on a Lego at 2 a.m. Modern screening systems use 3D rotation and density mapping, which means officers, and increasingly AI-assisted software, can digitally spin your bag and analyze materials based on how dense they are. Plastic bricks, low density. Steel gun parts, very not low density. The system flagged the metallic components instantly. No dramatic reveal, no slow clap, just a very fast bag check, please.
When questioned, the passenger reportedly claimed it was a toy. Then he said it belonged to his brother. Classic deflection strategy. Unfortunately, algorithms are immune to family backstories. The system identified a firearm, alerted officers, and law enforcement took over from there. This is exactly why TSA reports intercepting around 18 firearms per day at checkpoints, and the overwhelming majority are loaded. The tech isn't just looking for the shape of a gun anymore. It's analyzing materials, components, and how they fit together in 3D space. So if someone thinks they can outsmart a machine by hiding metal inside a superhero toy set, the machine is already 3 steps ahead.
And this raises a bigger question. If scanners can catch this, what happens when screening doesn't even wait for the X-ray belt anymore? That's where our number 1 spot takes things into the future. 1. The strategic horizon, a checkpointless future, or a total denied entry. And finally, the number 1 thing you need to know about the TSA's new wave of AI is something they call the strategic horizon. Translation: the airport of the future might not even have a traditional checkpoint. By 2030, the vision is a checkpointless experience where security doesn't happen at one bottleneck. It happens everywhere. Imagine advanced imaging technology quietly scanning as you stroll through the terminal, coffee in one hand, boarding pass in the other. Totally unaware, a robot brain just gave your cargo shorts a background check. Programs like Screening at Speed are working on sensors that can scan you while you're moving. No awkward stand like a starfish pose required. Even wilder, researchers are exploring tech that can detect trace chemical signatures in the air, meaning the system could potentially flag if you've been near explosives or certain hazardous biological materials. Basically, the airport of the future might have a nose better than a bloodhound and less forgiving than your ex.
In this world, your bag doesn't wait for a conveyor belt moment of truth. The system could identify a problem the second you walk through the terminal doors. AI ties into cameras, behavior analysis software, and airport risk models to assess threats in real time. Sounds smooth and futuristic, unless you forgot that tiny souvenir pocket knife from your fishing trip. Then it's less golden age of travel, and more, why is a polite robot asking me to step aside?
The end game? A single stop where your ID is verified, your face is matched, your bags are scanned, and you're cleared in seconds. Fast, seamless, efficient. Until that day fully arrives though, travelers are stuck juggling ID checks, random bag pulls, liquid rules, and that slightly uncomfortable facial recognition stare that feels like the camera is judging your life choices. Welcome to the future of flying, where the line might disappear, but the watching never does. So, there you have it. 8 ways the TSA's new AI is ready to reject your bag or deny your flight in 2026. The moral of the story? Get your real ID. Don't pack your handgun in a Lego set. And maybe keep the Huckleberry jam in your checked luggage. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and avoid getting denied at the gate, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks and security updates. I post videos like this every week to make sure you spend more time on the beach and less time in secondary screening. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and remember, the AI is always watching, and it's probably hungry for your peanut butter. See you in the next one.